How to turn on or off mobile data on OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, there are two options. The first is go to settings. In settings, go to mobile network. In mobile network, you can see here the mobile data. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the mobile data, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do a switch off the switch button on the right side. And this is the first one to turn on or off the mobile data on your OPPO Reno 7 5G. And okay guys, another one is, okay, you can slide from top to bottom. And you can see here the mobile data icon. You can tap this to turn on the mobile data. And you can tap again to turn off the mobile data. That's it, okay, the two options to turn on or off the mobile data on your OPPO Reno 7 5G.